Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks Combined Multibodies lesson. In a new part, add a sketch in the right plane and draw it as indicated. Add the relations and dimensions needed to define it. And make an extruded boss. Set the options, thin feature options, and click OK. Change to a top view and add a sketch in the top face. Draw and dimension the sketch as indicated. Make an extruded boss. Set the depth to through all. Turn off the Merge Result option and click OK. Expand the SolidBodies folder. Select the two bodies. Right-click and combine them. Use the Common option and click OK. Open the bottle part from the supplied files. Add a sketch in the front view and change to a front view. Draw the sketch profile. Add relations and dimensions as indicated. Make an extruded boss. Use the midplane end condition. Set the depth and turn off the Merge Result option. Right-click in the Bodies folder and combine them using the Subtract option. In the main body selection box, add the new body. In the bodies to subtract, select the bottle body and click OK. In the bodies to keep dialog, use the selected bodies, select the inside body and click OK. Select the Mass Properties command and calculate the bottle's capacity. Set the units to milliliters and click OK. Close the dialog to continue. Make a new part. Add a sketch in the top plane. Draw the sketch profile and add the relations and dimensions indicated. Make an extruded boss. Set the depth and use the Thin Feature option with the indicated settings. Click OK to continue. Add a new sketch in the top plane. Draw a circle and add a tangent relation. Create a helix. Set the options to pitch and revolution. Enter the helix values. And click OK. Add a new sketch in the front plane. Draw and dimension as indicated. And exit the sketch. Make a sweep boss. Select the new sketch and the helix. Turn off the Merge Result option and click OK. Click in the helix and hide it. Select both bodies. Right-click and select Combine. Use the Common option and click OK to finish.